throw your fists in the air. Tonight we're gonna draw the fusion of cannonbolt and forearms. As seen on the new Ben 10 game, well, the original, fusing cannonbolt and forearms together would be very awesome. Alexa, play Ben 10 Omniverse Epic version.
Ben 10 Omniverse Theme Epic Version by Alala on Amazon Music.
Oh. Ben has come a really long way, and no matter what monsters challenges he has to fight against, that won't stop him from saving the universe. I hope more adventures for this interesting hero comes the way, and I hope to see more of Ben's ultimate fusions.
Shall I play more music related to that?
Nope. None shall stop the ultimate alien. And finished. That's how you draw the fusion of Cannonbolt and Forearms. He can roll and kick some Malice. To find out more on how to draw more aliens like this, check out the Ben 10 wiki on the playlist, and you can check out more like this in the comments below. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be there as soon as possible to show you more awesome episodes. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.